What's good, y'all? It's your boy John. I'm back here with some more footage that I got from the Wonder Woman testing. So without any further ado, let's get on into it.
Oh yeah, it's dropping. Let's go. First, let's go. Wonder Woman Flight of Courage, first test run.
Into the turnaround. Going back south now. Up into the mid.
They stop it at the mid. No, it's going right through.
So just keep in mind, guys, they don't have the lift chain at full speed right now. So it's not going as fast as it's going to go in the end, but they're doing enough to make it through. There you just saw the final two inversions. The final two elements that are not on Jersey Devil. Alright guys, so we're going again. I'm now in the back of the park. I'm going to show you guys from here. Into the turnaround. Going back south now. Up into the mid. So just keep in mind, guys, they don't have the lift chain at full speed right now. So it's not going as fast as it's going to go in the end, but they're doing enough to make it through.
Quickly picking up over here by Justice League. Just want to show off that they've got the lights installed now. Let me zoom in for you guys right here. You can see they've got it mounted to the foundation, and they got the conduit with the wiring, electrical coming out the side, running down the sides of it. They got one right there. Sorry for Riddlers. Okay, they got one over here facing south. This one, again, sorry, is facing north. There's another one facing north over here.
So that's going to wrap up this update. I'm going to leave you guys with a few still shots here from the past couple days. I appreciate everybody tuning in. As always, thank you so much for all the love, comments, and support. Now, I'm going to be back at the park tomorrow as well as the next few days, pretty much throughout the day. So if you're in the area, make sure to stop and say hi if you see me. Yeah, again, thank you all so much. I'll be coming back with another update, most likely in the next day or so. So until then, this is John, and this has been your theme park ERT.